Everyone, this is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, May 5th. Greetings from Warsaw, Poland. Let's take a look at what's going on with that NASDAQ market. We made new highs and we found sellers. What a struggle. The battle is on. We need to get a close above 4,600 for that market, and ideally we want to see it today. This implies unchanged to lower. Let's move on over to those interest rates. The euro traded below that bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in this market is $4,437.50. Over here in the Swissy, the difference between this bearish level and that bullish level is $2,687. And again, these are references. They give you an idea of the magnitude of change that we're talking about. If we move on over to the Japanese yen, this market's backed off a bit. I'm looking for it to go sideways right now to stop and take a breath. But let's move on. I never finished my description here for the euro. For that euro market, it's still bearish, but I think we need to be cautious because of a benchmark candle, as we talked about in the advanced video. Let's move on over to interest rates. The notes getting weaker. I like the action. I'm looking for continuation to the downside in that market. When it comes to gold, gold did perk up a bit. It did trade above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $1,200. If we take a look at what's going on here, I do not look for strong follow through to the upside today. I really look for more of a sideways type market in the gold market. Crude oil is backing off slightly. I was looking for a down day on Monday. I expected more weakness. Right now, a sideways move would make sense for that market. And in the grains, let's talk about soybeans. Soybeans firmed up a bit. This is what we're seeing in Asia. I do look for follow through, but not in a dramatic way for this market. I think we need to be cautious at those prices. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again. And as always,